Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Naila Sattar from Government Women Degree College, Kachaku, and today our topic is features of database management system. First of all, I would like to explain you how many and what are the main features of the database management system. There are 6 features of that DBMS. Number 1, data dictionary. Number 2, utilities. Number 3, query language. Number 4, report generator. Number 5, access security. And number 6 and last is backup and recovery. Now I will explain you these points one by one. First of all, what is data dictionary? Basically, dictionary is a file that stores the information. Data dictionary is a file that stores all data definitions for a database. It may also monitor the data that is entered. It ensures that data is according to the data definition rules. The rules that include field names, field sizes, and the data types, etc. Data dictionary is also used for the data access authorization for the database users. As I told you in the first point, this is also called the repository. So this is the second name of the data dictionary, repository. Is it clear? Now come toward the second feature of the DBMS, that is utilities. DBMS utilities are the programs that are used to maintain the database by processing the data, by records and the files. Some utilities are used for the backup and recovery procedures of the databases as well. Our third point is the query language. A query language is used to perform different operations on the databases. The most popular query language is SQL. It stands for Structure Query Language. The statements of SQL are written in simple English-like sentences. Some important commands of SQL are select, delete, create, modify, update, and insert, etc. SQL can be used for the following purposes. What are these? For example, create table structures, enter data in the tables, retrieve data from the tables, update data in tables, and delete data from tables, etc. Our fourth feature of the DBMS is report generator. A report generator is a program that is used to produce the reports. It retrieves data from database and displays it in different formats. The user can use the report generator to format the page number, dates, titles, and column headings, etc. The user can produce useful and attractive reports by using the report generator. Report generator is also called the report writer. Is it clear? Now come toward the fifth point, that is called the access security. Access security refers to the protection of the database from the unauthorized access. The database management system provides several procedures to maintain the data security. The security is maintained by allowing the access to the database through the use of passwords. So different users of the database system have different level of access rights to the database. Is it clear? Now come toward the last and the sixth feature of the DBMS. That is called the backup and recovery. Database management system provides the facility for the backup and recovery. Backup facility is used to store an additional copy of the data. The data can be recovered from backup file if original file is lost or damaged. So these were the features of the DBMS. Thank you so much. If you have any query regarding this topic, then you are welcome to ask. Thank you so much.